Hi guys, join me to renew my hair from 2-month-old to 1 week old, and this was how it was looking at first. The very first step I took was to wash it thoroughly using my Garnier Fructus shampoo. So after washing, the plan was to air dry it, but it just was not working, so I had to use the blow dryer. So when it was dried, this thing I did was to crochet it. This is very simple, like you can do it for yourself. You just have to pick the tip of the braid and pass it through your hair. Most people feel like this may cut their hair or this may tangle their hair and to be difficult to lose, but I did it before and I didn't have problem losing it. I just had to take my time, comb it out, and I was good to go. But you can see I'm passing it 3 times. You can also pass yours 2 times, 3 times, but I would advise you not to pass it through 4 times, so losing it won't be difficult. And also don't forget to trim it after you're done. That's very important. So I braided it when I was done, and I did put it in hot water because I just wanted something different. I was going for an event, so I wanted something very beautiful and outstanding. So after finishing everything, I applied my products and voila, this is the end result. How was it? Is this something you would try? If yes, why? If no, why not? Please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to follow for more.